Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can download offline Google Maps on Google Maps app. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, you'll have to open the Google Maps app on your device and also make sure that you're already logged into your Google account. Now, on the top right corner of your screen, on the search bar, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on it and you'll be able to view your profile. Here you'll have to tap on the offline maps option. In order to use the maps offline, you'll have to start by downloading a map. Then you'll be able to search and get directions offline with that map. So here you'll have to tap on the select your own map option. Then you'll be able to view the map of the country that you'll like to download. You can crop it as per your wish. You'll have to keep in mind that download will use up to 15 MB of your space. After you've selected the area, simply tap on the download button and the map will start downloading. The downloading process might take some time depending on your internet speed. Now, after the map has been downloaded, you'll be able to view the map under the downloaded maps option. If you like to download more maps offline, you'll have to tap on the select your own map button and again crop the image and tap on the download button. So it is that simple to download offline maps, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.